Beep, beep. So here we are with the farm truck, and the horn doesn't work, which wouldn't really be a big issue, except I almost saw my wife get run over by a semi that was drifting into her lane last weekend. So we're gonna fix that the right way. We've got a train horn to install. Got the compressor here that I think is probably gonna go behind the seat, and the horns that I've got to find room for somewhere on the truck. There's a whole bunch of wiring and air lines and some instructions and stuff like that, so it's time to get to work and see what we can figure out. There's all kinds of room behind the seat for that compressor. It keeps the compressor out of the weather, and there happens to be a hole right there that I can run the air line through. So I don't have the switch completely done, and I still need to give this relay switched power from the ignition to make the pump work automatically, but I do have the system pressurized and I just want to hear it. This is awesome. All right, so I tapped into the wiper motor, so when I turn the key on, the pump starts, and it might have enough air in it. Okay, obviously it did not have enough air. And then I also found the pinout for the steering shaft connector and hooked up the ground. So we now have a horn. It works the way it should on this Chevrolet.